What's up, guys? So I've been trying to figure out what do I want to do for my next video. Do I want to do a food review or do I want to show you how to make certain cocktails? And I was like, dude, you have a pretty awesome chicken kebab recipe that I'm about to show you right now.
In a medium bowl, add a cup and a half of your favorite barbecue sauce, then probably eyeball it, depending on how spicy you want, a cup of your favorite hot sauce. Drizzle a couple tablespoons of honey in there, then add a cup of brown sugar. Trust me, it's not a lot. Make sure it's dark brown sugar. Season with salt and pepper, add some mustard to that. Then, of course, the bourbon. Any bourbon will do. I'm using Jack Daniels. Give it a little garlic powder. Give that a good stir till everything's combined. Taste it to see if you need to add more heat or sweet. Now for our meat, I'm using 3 chicken breasts, but thighs would be better. I just didn't have any or couldn't find any at the store when I went. Just dice those up into little cube pieces. Make sure they're large enough but not small enough, because they're going in kebabs, medium-sized kebab sticks, so don't want them to fall off. Now get your thick cut bacon, slice those suckers up. And make sure they're kind of cut the same size as the chicken pieces. You don't want them to be too small. Then just start assembling. It's going to go chicken, piece of bacon, chicken, bacon, rinse and repeat. Once you've done that with all your skewers, give them a little oil, cover them up, and now it's time to get our grill ready. Make sure you get some non-stick spray on there. And you might see some flare up just because the oil's dripping down into the grill. That's perfectly normal. It's kind of what you want too. You want to get a nice, good char like that. And then once you've gotten that char, just go ahead and start adding your barbecue mixture. Just rinse and repeat. Once you get it on there, flip them over so the other side can cook, and do the same thing. Oh, and you will be impressed with how good everything is starting to smell. It smells like just bourbon sweet goodness. I can't really describe it, so you'll have to make it so you can see.
While we wait for this to finish and we're flipping and glazing, you gotta have a beer while you grill. You just got to. I'm having Wiseman Cosmic Within IPA. It's a local brewery. It's pretty good. So yeah,
So after a few beverages later, your chicken should start to look like this, a nice glazed caramel stick of goodness. Let these guys chill for a little bit on a serving tray. Now just pick one you want and dig in. I had a few bites, and let me tell you, it was amazing. So make this.